Burglars are searching for easy targets because they want to escape as soon as possible. That's the reason why burglaries increase when it gets dark. With unoccupied houses, thieves have plenty of time and the risk of being caught is low. Empty houses, therefore, are the most appealing targets. Especially at dusk, the would-be robber can easily find houses with dark windows. Don't make a burglar's life that easy. Show presence even when you're not at home. HomeShadows takes home protection to the next level and generates moving shadows inside the home to make the house appear to be occupied. If your home looks occupied, burglars will not take the risk, but will move on to an easier target. HomeShadows requires no installation, is easy to use, and turns on automatically at dusk. An ingenious algorithm will convince burglars that someone is present in the home. Even when you are alone at home, HomeShadows provides additional protection by simulating the presence of additional occupants in the home, in rooms which currently aren't even used. Use HomeShadows while at the store, visiting friends and relatives, or even while on vacation. 60 high-power LED lights have enough power to create authentic shadow movements while using very little electricity. When the blue LEDs come on, you can be sure that HomeShadows is activated. With only one switch, you can choose between continuous or auto mode. The light sensor activates HomeShadows automatically at dusk. Burglars search for easy targets. Don't be that target. Use HomeShadows.